that will say no to what is happening. This is the moment wherein we should be discussing what is for the good of the family. Look at me, my mustache is turning white. Not to mention the hidden one. So, this is just one significant reasoning that our present beliefs invest in us the spirit of Alpha Sigma Phi. What we have learned, how we care for Alpha Sigma Phi, and how we wanted Alpha Sigma Phi to be stayed on the move, even in the future. So we ended up closing out this discussion about this unity, this agreement, and just agreed that we will come out with recommendations and an amendment to the Constitution by the time we again elect our national president in Bulacan. Because Bulacan will be the next, the site of the next mission. I also told them that let us give every brother's rightful view. Brother Tausgabara should be given his rightful view. Brother Manuel Mumungat, even if he will not be returned or he will not be reconsidered in the Sigma Phi, we will give him his rightful view as the founder.
Correct.
And we will also give everybody his rightful view. So this is what was discussed. That in the coming convention, all delegates must come out with some ideas on how to better Alpha Sigma Phi in the Philippines. With regards to the heads of argument, we have also agreed that initially 4 of us will be going to the station